Hello guys, what's up, what's up? It's me again, Mark Paragas, and another travel vlog, of course. So yun guys, may pupuntahan tayo na parang, I'm not sure kung para siyang resort, basta activity na 1 hour away from our accommodation. At kinuha ko siya sa Klook. And ang pick up time natin guys is 7 a.m. Sabi naman ng operator na maghintay tayo from 7 to 7:30 for pick up. Siyempre, Klook tayo. And if you want to book any hotels or any activities na nasa Klook, mas mura naman, and you can use my promo code for another discount, Mark Paragas Klook, up to 5 times use per account. So anyway, this tour guys, or this activity is called Skyline Jungle Luge Adventure Zipline. It's pangit, wait lang. Ulitin natin. So this activity guys is called the Skyline Jungle Luge Adventure Zipline Experience Chiang Mai. One more. Ang daming energy. Ano kasi guys, nakatulog tayo ng bonggang-bongga. So anyway, going back. So this activity or tour guys is called Skyline Jungle Luge Adventure Zipline Experience Chiang Mai. Ayun. Kung napanood nyo yung Singapore vlog natin guys, nag Skyline Luge tayo. And this is parang stepping to another level. Mas mahaba, mas malaki yung sasakyan natin. Plus, may zipline na rin. And I'm not sure kung ano pa yung pwede natin matry. Basta yun yung kasama sa ticket natin. And syempre, I'll give you more details about it once we get there. But for now, yung ticket natin may kasama siyang transfer. And currently it's 7:10 a.m. Ang transfer natin is between 7 to 7:30 a.m. And ano to guys, hindi to private tour. May mga makakasabay tayo sa sasakyan lang naman. Then pagdating doon, siyempre bahala na. Kanya-kanya na. I'll use this time na lang while waiting para sabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung kinuha natin, what's included, and then what's not included. So, medyo pricey siya. Ito yung mga kasama guys kung bakit siya pricey. Round trip transfer to and from your hotel. Malapit kasi tayo guys sa airport, parang mga 20 minutes away from the airport. So going back, aside from the transfer, kasama dito yung insurance provided by the operator. Merong Thai buffet guys, doon tayo magla-lunch. Tapos may zipline na yung kasama. And yung zipline guys, hindi biro, hindi 12 platforms, hindi 24, kundi 38 platforms yung itatry natin. Kumbaga, from one station, mag-zipline ka to second station, second to third. Ganun, puro zipline siya guys. As in, pababa na pababa. Tapos, yung mga zipline na to guys, merong 300 meters, 400 meters, 500 meters. At pinakamahaba niya is 900 meters. Tapos, meron ding luge, yung cart na sinasabi ko sa inyo. And downhill to, 2,100 meters yung layo. OMG. Tapos merong 5 minutes nature trail work. Merong 5 minutes nature trail walk. May big giant swing. Tapos may 6 na staircase. Mayroong 5 sky bridges na 50 meters long lang naman. Yung parang tatawid-tawid lang kayo. Per ano siguro yung per station ng mga zipline. And then, before you book this activity, itong mga activity guys, like yung mga rides, may mga ano siya, requirements. Like kunwari, sa way, hindi kayo dapat lumagpas ng 110 kilos or 100 kilos, mga ganyan. And in fairness naman, pasok tayo sa banga. So mukhang ito na, ayan, ito na nga. So what ikap? Mark. Ilan po? Okay. Apple Cup. Hello, good morning.
Hello, where are you from?
Philippines. Yeah, you're all Malaysian. I saw it. First time here in Chiang Mai?
Yeah.
Wow.
How about you?
Yes, first time.
You come alone?
Yeah, I always do.
My name is Mac. He's
Mac.
driver in the skyline and the zip line.
All right.
How long we go to on the zip line and skyline? 1 hour 30 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Thank
Kapag kap.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so finally after 1 hour and 15 minutes ride, we are now here sa Skyline Jungle Luge Zipline and Luge Cart. So, ayun. Dito yung mga paraphernalias nila. Sabi nga nila, this is just more than a zipline or more than just a zipline. And syempre, new experience to here in Chiang Mai. And for sure, we're gonna enjoy this. And medyo maaga kasi tayo guys. Like ano pa lang, 8:30. 8:26 pa lang. 8:30 nag-o-open to. Ayan, tinatawag na tayo. Ayan siya. Alright. We can bring this and phone. Okay. Alright guys, so they have locker here. Pahirapan, akala ko bring your own lock. Meron pala dito. Ayan. Ayan siya. Lucky number 9 tayo. Ayan, kailangan natin ay. This one? Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Turn around. Your leg.
Huh? Wait.
เฮ้ยน้องห้องหนาวๆเลยเฮ้ยพอยังกว่าที่โหลดไอ้โน่
Okay.
Okay. Okay, cup.
Join us
For what?
for the photo because of like if let's say 5%
Oh, for the service. Oh, okay.
if you don't mind it's okay one.
Wait.
Because of one person man, one person very expensive.
Ah.
4 is this price, 5 is this price. See whether you want to join us or not. If yes, we pay for this. If no, we pay for this. Yeah, we are okay. We are okay. No worry. Decision at your side.
Alright. I'll think about it.
If you want.
Oh, yeah. So one person is 400.
Yeah, one person. 30 photo.
Oh.
400 baht.
So this, like this.
Yeah.
We need you give somebody take video. Take one telephone. I take video for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Payment is later? After?
Yeah.
After. Okay.
Pay later.
Okay, I'll go one.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we need your email.
You put the name.
都是比较多的，有2个 package 吗？
Bye-bye.
You're going to build Naba.
Yes, bye-bye. Love you. Mukha daw akong builder, sabi ng baby ko. So, you have the options kumuha ng package. Gusto kasi sana nila makishare. Kaso sabi ko, sige, 400 baht. Ayan. The more the merrier. Well, let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so pipicture lang kayo yung mga magkakasama sa van para siguro ano nila attendance, tapos syempre solo-solo na picture. Let's do this. So ang eligibility guys, yung pwede mag-book nito is 4 years old pataas, tapos dapat wala kayong high blood. And then yung weight ninyo guys, dapat at least 0 kilogram to 110. Pasok tayo sa bama. This activity is not recommended for anyone with impaired physical mobility and syempre may mga medical conditions. Ayan.
Okay, สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
We need today we need 4 guys take care for you. Miss and me, Mr. Bond.
Bon.
Yeah.
James Bond.
Yeah, same. Yeah. Number 2, Mr. Choi.
Choi. สวัสดีครับ
Number 3, Mr. Mu.
No.
Yeah, 2. This is a pulley and then carabiner. Together, ladies, everything. Don't do it by yourself.
Okay.
Today we need me and partner take care for you today.
Okayครับ
How to go, how to play. I hold the pulley, cap cable like this, and then carabiner. Together, good double safety. You can go, you can fly, sit down and go. Don't jump, don't run. Because you jump, you run. You go too fast. Number 1, hand. Where do you hold? Hold this one. Don't touch the cable. Don't break. You scared? Hold this one. No scare. You can free your hand, left side or right side. I believe I can fly the other.
Okay.
And then number 2, your head. Don't move the police. I am fine. No, good. Head, move your left side or right side.
Okay.
In your back. I fly. Take picture. You good. Number 3, the last step, leg. You go to next station, about next station, feet up, leg up more high. No high, don't leg low like this because you will hit the station. Leg up, put on the head.
Okay.
You go to next station, finish, and then I unlock it, the carabiner, and then pull it. I'm making up. One by one. Don't together. Because together you go too fast.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Gentlemen.
Let's go.
No, I'm fit.
So guys, kung gusto nyo magganito, tapos may dala kayong mga phones or any cameras, make sure na your pockets has zipper. Kasi may mga...
Double shake.
Okay, Cap. Let's go. So yun, dapat may mga zipper para hindi malaglag yung mga cellphone ninyo kung nasa bulsa. Or at least mga fit talaga. Oh, sasakay tayo.
Get on the car about 10 minutes.
10 minutes ride? Okay.
Be careful. Hold on. A little bit.
You born.
Yeah. This one.
B. Oh. What? Mac.
A few moments later.
Grabe guys, yung effort, yung kailangan mo humawak ng maigpit kasi pataas talaga siya. Ayan. Grabe, ang sakit ng kamay ko. Grabe yung tarik guys, as in pag ganun, mas malala pa dun sa nag-Mount Batur tayo sa Bali, Indonesia. Ang effort, ang sakit. Effort talaga, ang sakit naman yung kamay ko kasi kailangan mo nang kumapit kasi nakaganon na kayo. Kung hindi ka kakapit, lalaglag ka. Ito yung trekking ata, like 5 minutes. Kasama naman siya doon sa parang itinerary nyo for this activity. And we have a nice weather today. So mas maganda siyang mas maaga guys kasi parang una kayo. Pero for sure naman, na-testing na nila yung mga cable bago magpasalang. And they're doing this every day guys. This activity, hinihingal na ako. Wala na. So you have the options na magbuksaklok or pwede kayong pumunta dito kung may sasakyan kayo. Pwede siyang motor pero I would definitely suggest mag-book na lang kayo kasi yung packet dito para siyang Baguio type. May mga bangin. Ito ang ayoko. Ala, grabe naman packet to. Ito yung sinusukuan ko sa Bali. Yung hakyat. Nature.
A few moments later.
It's interesting. Further. And then that's
Ladies first. Wow. Oy. Oh. All right. Is it blue? Oh.
Hey, Cap. Hold this
Is it?
one, yes, and walk down.
Ay! Okay, Cal. C. All right. 38 station. Let's go. Ay. Go.
Oh, you want 2 horse?
There.
2 horse, ladies.
2.
Yeah, look at me again. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Woo! Hello, Thailand! Ah! Wala ako umiikot.
Hey!
Right. There you go.
Yes, good.
Up, 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 up. There.
There!
There.
Okay. Good job. Jump.
Ah! Ah, bakit?
I want to go.
Yeah,
That's a challenge. Okay.
Okay, backward.
Oh, backwards. Ah.
See your hand. Okay, backwards.
Let's go. Whoop! Yeah!
Hey!
I don't know guys kung pang ilan na to, pero parang nakakalima na kami. And more to go. Grabe yung pawis natin.
Ready? Okay.
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Me? Mu.
Moo.
And you?
D. Bon.
Yeah.
Mark. Ah, that's Bon.
Bon.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Mark.
1, 2, 3.
Oy. Here's the view. Oy. Oh, nice. All right. Ah, this is a bit challenging. Oy. Woo. You want a picture together while we're waiting?
Thank you so much.
All right. 1, 2. One more. There you go. Welcome. Oh, sorry.
ของเขากับเงาได้แต่ฝรั่งมาเขาบอกช่วยครับ
No, it's so scary.
เนี่ยคนไทยเขา
We're going down. Oh, okay.
อีก
You can do it.
I think he's scared because his body weight is
Weight is
heavier
big,
than
yeah.
the guy.
Sit down and jump the handle.
That's. That was fast.
No scare.
Ah, okay, okay.
Okay, hold this one.
Hold this one?
Yeah.
Just sit down. Ah! All right. All right.
Okay.
Woo! Ay. Oh.
Oh, clear!
Ah. Nagmamadali na. Ay.
Okay.
Okay.
3,
2,
2,
let's
1,
go.
let's go!
Here. Backwards again. Oh, okay. That's nice.
Thank you, Cap.
Okay.
Okay lah.
Okay, Cap. Oh, yeah. Let's go down. Here. I don't know kung pang ilan na to ah. Okay, Cap. Look. Another bridge. Let's go. Oy. 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 Gusto ko yung mga ganitong ride, like activity guys. Not really extreme, but needs more effort and energy. Whew. Pali, pali, pali. Hello. Oi. 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 Ay. This is cool. This is cool. So much effort. Exhausting but fun and amazing experience as always. Oh, backwards again.
Okay, slow go.
Okay.
Yes. Good.
Wow. And you're doing this every day.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, let's
Go! So we're gonna go up, and then I think this is one of the long zip line over there. Oh, that's a long one. No turning back. So bali, pabalik kasi pala tayo guys sa baba. Kaya pala matarik yung inakyat natin kanina sa bang taas. Hindi ko na alam kung pang ilan to. But we can do this. And may buffet tayo ah. Pabawi tayo sa buffet mamaya. Yung grabe guys, ako lang yung pawis na pawis. Yung mga kasama ko hindi. Mga bilat. Grabe. Pero ang saya. May baon tayong damit extra. Kaya takot mo siya.
Okay. Hala.
Let's go! Okay. Oh,
Okay,
moving up. Alright. Akyat. Zip line. Pagod. Ganda ng view. I would suggest guys to check the weather if you want to try this activity. Parang nakakatakot siya pag medyo basa-basa. So maulan. Look at the view. Ganda. Guys, look at that. Go, kuya. Saya, ang saya. May mga, habulin ako ng mosquito dito. Ready? Ready, let's go.
Let's go.
Oy. Oh, this is nice. Picture taking.
1, 2, 3. You need to follow me. When you walk down.
Oh, okay. Jump? All together? Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan kasi medyo mataas. Grabe naman daanan to. Ay, unahan ba to? Pati pagbaba, effort. Ano to? Ubus na yung energy ko. Mamaya ka talaga sa akin buffet. Maliit yung daanan kasi. Yung hagdan. Ah. Like ganyan lang oh. Buti sana iba yung ganyan eh. Oh, there. This is nice. And another one from here going there. Nung una ayan, nung una guys, parang sabi ko ayoko i-try kasi malayo, like di ba almost 1 hour and 15 minutes yung biyahe. Tapos sabi ko ay puro zipline nakakapagod, pero nung nandito na with this view, with this weather, nice. Picture taking muna si kuya, kasama to sa package na kinuha natin for 400 baht, 1 person. Mas marami, mas mura, pricey, 400 baht, but souvenir na yun. Kulit ng bag nila oh. Nandito yung phone natin, buti na lang.
Okay, Kap.
Okay, Kap. Bakit niyuyog-yog? Boom!
No boom. Look here, get that. Bad water, long that.
Ginagawa nito. Spider-Man?
Super lady boy.
Lady boy. Going down. Yeah. Where are they? Oh, there. Ayan. Baba ulit tayo. Iyuyug-yug talaga. Hoy, what's this? Go, Bon.
Yeah, thank you.
And in fairness, guys, very friendly. Very friendly dito. Tapos, syempre, safety. Safety first. Kailangan nasa good mood kayo eh. Diba? Hindi sila nagtataray. Kahit malaki ka, walang discrimination. Kahit pabigat ka. Grabe. Amazing experience. Hindi pa ito nagtatapos ha. Meron pa tayong Skyline Lodge na 2,100 meters long pababa. That's why pinipare ko na yung aking adhesive. Nilagyan ko ng tape ko, di ba? I think guys, we're gonna spend 3 hours here. Like yung biyahe, hindi kasama yung biyahe pagdating nyo dito kasi maraming zipline, maraming station, tapos hintayan, and then may Skyline Lodge pa tayo, plus may buffet pa tayo. That's it, oh. Ang haba. Mas mahaba din. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah, okay, go.
Okay, come. Let's go!
Okay.
Okay, Kap.
ครับ Wait a moment.
Okay.
นี่ยังไม่ได้แทนนะพี่นะ
Yeah, I take video for you.
Alright. Run! Parang ang dami pa nito.
เดี๋ยวกำลังจะถ่าย
Yung iba, basic lang. Pero ito yung mga haba na. Pababa tayo na pababa dun.
好了没？
好了，
出发。
go bye。
Yeah, maghihintay tayo kasi bibidyohan tayo ni Kuya. Okay, run.
No. Oh, sorry, no battery.
Move your head this side, right?
Okay, Kap.
And then sit. Go. No problem. Okay, and then go.
Nakakatawa dito, guys. Parang wala nangyari doon. Kung makapagkwento. So anyway, nakakatawa dito kasi bibidyohan kayo isa-isa. Meron tayong shot. Look. Sakit na ipit ako. Oh yeah.
Last one.
Last one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Last one.
Okay, ครับ
Let's go. Okay, we're going down. Last one. Anong last one? Meron pa. Kuya talaga. Ayan kito. Ah, diba? Dadaan tayo sa puno. Oh. So I'm not sure if this is the last one. Pero parang ito na nga. Tapos mag Skyline Lodge na tayo going down. Firefighter lang, oh. Woo! Spider-Man again? Where's the kiss? This time mag-Superman na tayo, guys. Superman. Ako si Darna. Darna tayo ganun. Oh, wag kayo. Darna. Yung ako ng Superman, Darna.
I can fly.
Yeah, you can sing, you can sing. I can touch the sky. I think about it every night. Oh, open legs? Oh. Yeah. Go! Superman! Oh, okay. Wow!
Relax. Relax your body.
Okay,
Because
okay.
you big. Okay. 3, 2, go.
Alright. So hindi tayo guys nakapag Superman kasi 4 lang yung stop, pero okay lang naman. So I think this will be the luge na. Na-set up ko na siya guys. Later na lang ulit.
A few moments later.
This is giant swing. Look. So this is part of the ticket guys. So bali lahat ng rides. This is our view right there. Okay, Cap. There. Up, yeah. Oy. Alright guys, so we're gonna get our things kasi mag-i-sky luge na tayo guys, Skyline Luge, and then ayan siya, tapos no turning back. I mean hindi na siya babalik dito, o kaya kailangan na natin dalhin yung gamit natin, o diba? This is me. Peace yo.
A few moments later.
Dumami na yung tao, mas maganda nga umaga kayo dito, plus nagbabayad kayo dito guys nung picture package na kinuha nyo, tapos hihintayin nyo siya dito. Ayan, papakita sa inyo. Ayan guys, cute nito, yung nakapula. Puro foreigner na dito, wala man lang Pinoy.
Where is your name?
This one, the below, yeah.
Okay. Your
iPhone.
phone, your name is
There. Okay.
the total photo.
Alright, 54.
Okay.
Thank you, Cap. Cap and Cap. So guys, yung bag nyo pala, kukunin nyo dun sa locker, tapos iiwan nyo sa sasakyan. Kasi kung sino pala yung kasabay natin, since una, yun din yung makakasabay natin pabalik. And now, this is the luge part. And I'm so excited. This one.
Okay.
Engine dyan ah.
Okay. Oh, diba? Grabe yung powers natin. Oh. Ayan, una tayo. Ano lang pala siya guys? Pababa. Yung gravity. Tapos preno lang. Parang ganun siya. Video. Here. Video.
Oh,
Here. Video. That is it.
stay. Where you brake? Left side or right side at the same time. Brake
Okay.
together.
Brake at the same time.
Don't only one
right
brake.
and left.
Slow.
Slow.
Don't too much. Don't too hard.
Okay.
Because if too much, you are upside down.
Yeah. Okay.
Be careful.
Oh, right.
Don't go fast.
Okay.
Because you go fast, no control, no brake. We need your hose.
Yikes.
Be careful. Medium. Go to medium. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Let's go.
Bye.
Bye, kuya.
Oh,
Okay, let's go.
Check your brake. Okay,
Okay.
I'm ready.
Go.
Let's go.
Let's go! Woo! Guys, this is 2,100 meters. And we're gonna slow down kasi pababa. This is not a race. Yeah! Oh, what happened?
Almost the curve, right?
Let's go, let's go.
One by one, yeah, one by one. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Let's go! Finish? Finish? Yeah. That's it? We want more. Okay.
See you. Bye bye.
Bitin. Nabitin pa. Pero masaya. Mabilis. Kung wala lang akong ano, kung wala lang akong nasa harap, magre-race ang peg natin, guys. That was fun. We want more.
Yeah, we want more, especially the last one.
Oh yeah.
Now we go to lunch.
Yeah, lunch it is.
A few moments later.
Guys, so we just arrived here sa lunch venue natin. Ayan, mukhang masarap. Ah, okay. Buffet type. Oh, nice. Okay, let's sit down first. Ano tayo? Sa aircon. Guys, unlimited. Babawi tayo. Kuha muna natin. Ang maganda dito guys, kasi sabi ko mas maaga kayo. Kasi yan, wala kayo masyadong kasama. I think this is calamares, parang gano'n lang. Chicken. May parang laksa soup, pansit, gulay, rice, soup, and then vegetable, salad station and fruit station. Tapos yan, free drinks. Recap. Doon tayo pumasok sa loob kasi may electric fan. Sa lahat ng tour guys, ito talaga yung highlight. Highlight is the food. So we have almost lahat kinuha natin. Tignan natin yung soup. Masarap. Ano to? Parang pinagbabaran siya ng mga ano, ng pork. Sarap. And by the way guys, currently it's 11:45 p.m. lunchtime sakto. And I think yung activities, full activities, parang inabot ka ng mga 2 to 2.5 hours. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga ganung, sabihin natin extreme activities, including mga giant swing, zip line, tapos coaster, or yung luge, kung wala lang talagang tao sa harap ko guys, karera to. O diba? Tapos nag-change outfit tayo kasi basang-basa yung damit natin. Tapos feeling ko, kasi nauna kami, first batch kami. As in, first batch kami talaga na pag-opening pa lang, nandito na kami. Feeling ko yung mga kanina, nandoon. Susunod sila dito, kaya mamaya feeling ko mga hapon, marami na to. Marami na tao masyado. Let's taste. Oh. Chicken din pala siya guys. Chicken strip, parang ganun. Sarap. Actually guys, the whole activity guys, for me, it's worth it. For that price, kasi tignan nyo, actually kaya ayoko nag-joiner sa mga tour. Ayoko yung punuan sa sasakyan, ayoko maraming tao. Pero tignan nyo, 5 lang kami guys sa van na parang good for 14 to 16 people, di ba? So yun. And then, yung voucher na to guys, kapag binook niyo, valid lang siya on that day kung ano yung pinili nyong date plus anong pinili nyong pick up time. Kasi yung pick up time nga again is may 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 1. Tapos yung pabalik naman, mukhang doon tayo sa pabalik guys na 1 p.m. So ang pabalik guys is 1 p.m, 2 p.m, 3 p.m, 5 p.m, 6 p.m, 7 p.m. Ayan, clear. So by the way, just to give you a recap kung ano yung vlogmas na ginagawa natin. Mga tradition to ng mga YouTuber or mga content creator na nagpo-post sila ng mga uploads ng mga videos from December 1 to December 25. To celebrate na rin syempre yung Christmas season and to connect para at least araw-araw nyo napapanood yung mga vloggers ninyo, mga favorite vloggers ninyo. Ayun, kung may mga questions kayo, just engage if you want. But not literal na kunwari December 1 din yung biyahe mo or December 1 din yung vlog mo. Hindi ganun, hindi real time yung mga uploads. So matagal na to, kalat-kalat kasi syempre hindi pwedeng buong di ba? Napakatagal natin sa Chiang Mai. Bumabalik-balik tayo dito guys every weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Ayan, tapos syempre may work. Ayun, ganun ang style. Kaya mukhang matagal. Hindi nyo lang, syempre hindi ko na pinapakita yung airport na naman tayo, departure, arrival, ganun. Malasa yung pansit nila. Ang sarap. Parang pinagsutihan siya ng pinagpilutuhan ng manok or ng pork. Ganun. Sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, parang ayoko siyang gawin ito kasi nalalayuan ako. Ambivert tayo. May times na pag tinopak ako, introvert, yung ayaw, katulad nito. Kanina napaka-friendly natin ngayon. Mag-isa na lang tayo. Basta may mga times na gano'n. Gusto ko mag-isa, pero okay naman ako kausapin. Pag kunyari may kumausap. Yun lang yung parang, pag mga ganitong moment, para makapag-vlog ako. Gano'n. Ambivert. Kasi dito parang Baguio, parang Metro Manila yung bangko. Tapos pag pupunta ka dito parang Baguio siya. May mga bundok. And in fairness, ay paakyat dito, puro patag. Talagang ano na siya, maayos. So guys, round 2, ano lang tayo, magpapapak na lang tayo ng chicken. At saka yung chicken strip o pork strip. Basta ganun. And guys, alam ko ba? This one, nasa ano lang siya, 20 baht. So lumalabas parang 35 pesos. Akalain nyo yun, di ba? Hindi ako sanay. Kasi sa atin, pag nasa tourist spot ka, or kahit sa ganitong mga, yung venue nyo for lunch, tapos may additional na kailangan nyo i-consume or may add-ons na hindi kasama sa package, katulad ng mga drinks, di ba? Lalabas ng mga 100, kaya 80 pesos. Thailand is being Thailand talaga. Napakamura. Sorry guys kung palagi ko nako-compare yung bansa natin. Pero kasi kapag nag-travel kayo, marami na kayo napuntahan at Feel nyo talaga na napakalayo, kasi ma-amaze kayo napakalayo ng bansa natin sa mga pinuntahan nyo, Bangkok, Thailand, Taiwan, kahit sabi mong Hong Kong, basta mapapansin nyo pag malagi kayo nagtitravel. Kaya hindi pwedeng sabihin, palagi ang bias mo na masyado, gusto mo na dyan, o totoo. Kaya nga alam nyo, kaya maraming turista na mas gusto pang mag-ibang bansa kaysa sa atin, mag-travel sa bansa natin. Napakamahal, tapos lahat foreigners rate, kahit kapwa mo Pilipino. Ang sarap, so refreshing. Tapos ayun, ang layo talaga. Kaya hindi pwedeng hindi mo talaga siya ma-compare. And syempre, I want to be transparent. Ayan, may mga dumadating na.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so konting minuto na lang, babalik na tayo sa accommodation natin. So guys, thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin dito sa Skyline Luge with Zipline Cameroon Experience. And I hope sobrang na-enjoy nyo yung mga view and yung activities na ginawa natin. And syempre, if you're here in Chiang Mai, tapos marami naman kayong time you might want to consider doing these activities, napaka-worth it niya guys, napaka-sulit talaga. As in, may enjoy nyo. You should enjoy life kung nasan kayo, nasang lugar kayo, enjoyin nyo dapat. Ginagawa nyo dapat yung mga hindi nyo nagagawa. Live life to the fullest, enjoy life, enjoy every moment guys. You will never get to this age again. Huwag nyo nang hintayin na dumating kayo sa age na hindi nyo na kaya yung mga zipline, yung mga pag-akyat baba, yung cart, yung luge, mga ganun. So please do whatever makes you happy. Kung may time kayo, go. So sobrang dami nang nangyayari sa atin, sa bansa natin, sa buong mundo. Sa mga changes sa global warming, ang dami. Enjoy na. Enjoy yourself. Love yourself. Enjoy your time with your family. Enjoy your time with your loved ones. Pero hindi ko kasama family ko, di ba? kasi may pasok yung baby ko. Kaya hindi pwedeng sumama. So, ayun. Palagi kasi absent. May 1 week kasi siyang absent dahil nagkasakit siya. So, parang kung tayo, di ba, nung time na natin ayaw tayong pinapa-absent ng mga magulang natin. So, gawin din natin yun. Huwag puro absent para lang sa mga ganitong moment. Pero may mga part naman, may mga time naman kasama ko sila, hindi ko lang nabablog. Alright, so please do subscribe to my channel, Mark Paradis Official. Hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs natin. Share this video, like this video, comment below. You can also follow me on my other social media account, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And syempre, follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you on our next, see you tomorrow. Nakakalimutan ko. See you tomorrow guys. Mama chuchu. Bye bye.